This holiday season, broaden your child's horizons by developing skills and awareness that will enhance their potential and push their boundaries. Expose your child to new skills and experiences to succeed in life and grow as an individual. New Zealand high schools, in partnership with NZEA, have launched a short-stay high school experience program to give students an opportunity to study in New Zealand with the support of a buddy. Students will be placed with a host family and attend a local school. They will live like locals and get a chance to fully immerse in a different culture, make friends from around the world, and gain valuable international experience. Students are not required to host in return. The program objectives are to experience an education system which is among the best in the world, to provide an educational experience of a lifetime, to see the world from another perspective, to develop independence and maturity, to make lifelong friends, to develop social skills and confidence that will enhance the student's potential, to open career doors you didn't know existed. During our program, students gain intercultural competencies that are crucial for them to become global citizens. In a very competitive world, these are highly sought after qualities. Long after the students return home, this experience will provide them with a substantial backdrop to make future study and career choices. For example, one of the schools, Timaru High School program, offers lessons on flying. This opens a wonderful pathway for a career in aviation. Some of the participating New Zealand high schools are Linfield College, Northcote College, Timaru Boys High School, Timaru Girls High School, Rongotai College, Southland Girls High School, Tauranga Girls School, Wainui Mata High School, Wellington East Girls College, Waihi College, and many more. Studying in New Zealand is an educational experience of a lifetime. Come, discover the world beyond the classroom. Come, open career doors you didn't know existed. Come to New Zealand this holiday. Find out more at www.nzea.in or contact NZEA today. info@nzea.in